Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So this is going to be just a really easy epoxy video today, and we are going to be doing the straw topper. So this turned out absolutely adorable, and it is a Mermaid straw topper and super cute. Now this tumbler I've of course not done anything with yet, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So this is really cute. Now I'm going to take this straw topper off, and I want you to see how pretty the colors look and the detail in the scales. So that's super nice. Now the one thing in the video you'll see where I'm using my little stick to get down in there, and you have to, when you're doing these 3D molds like this, if you're new to it, you really have to make sure that you use something to just get all the epoxy down in there really well. And now this is good, but I will do a mermaid cup and give this away, but I would not sell this one just because if you can see, there's a little piece right there, and that comes from me not getting it all the way down in. So look, I dropped this in another wet epoxy piece. So I'm just gonna spread it around, and it'll dry, and it'll be fine. This is what happens when you're trying to do all the things before and after work super quick, you know? Jeez. All right. But in all seriousness, it's really adorable. It came out so good. And so I used mica powder to do my scales and, make them different colors, give them that mermaid vibe there. And I added, some gold in there. But this is really cute, and it's a really nice little topper for putting on cups and stuff like that. So this came from AliExpress. I just put in straw topper, and this came up, and it was only a few dollars. I don't buy molds from AliExpress that are more than a few dollars, and every mold I've ever gotten was so good. And you can see this is a really nice mold. The one thing you need to make sure that your little straw piece is straight up after you put your epoxy in. Just make sure it's nice and straight. But these are so cute. Came out really nice. And I definitely love the little straw toppers. It gives your cup just, something different. So if you want to, see how I put this together, the colors I used, stay tuned and we will make this. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. And I'll see you later, friends. Bye.